It can be challenging to find a good quality rifle that offers both affordability and performance. This can be a very tough call for a beginner, and in 2025, some budget-friendly options really shine with their versatility and ease of use. Here are the top 5 rifles that give great value without breaking the bank. Number 5. Rossi R92. The Rossi R92 is a manual-action carbine that brings classic style and functionality. This rifle is simple and easy to use, so it's great for beginners who want something manageable and dependable. It comes in various sizes, including the popular .44 Magnum, so it has many uses for hunting or target shooting. The price is $886.99, and the stainless steel finish makes it strong and lasting. Number 4. Henry Single Shot Youth Rifle. The Henry Single Shot Youth Rifle is light and simple and therefore ideal for younger or smaller shooters. It measures 36.5 inches in overall length and features a pull length of 13 inches, making it easy to use. The rifle has mild recoil and uses two .43 cartridges, which makes it good for beginners. It is simple and reliable because it does not have extra features. With a price of $597, this rifle is a great choice for people wanting an affordable and basic gun. Number 3. Savage 110 Magpul Scout. The Savage 110 Magpul Scout rifle offers flexibility for beginners. The rifle features a mounting rail for attachments and adjustable iron sights, which makes it great for those who like to change their setup. Its M-LOK slots make adding accessories a breeze, which is good for home defense and hunting. This variant costs $1,099 and is available in a wide range of calibers, from light .223 to strong .308. The rifle has a professionally tuned mechanism that guarantees consistency and accuracy. Number 2. Browning SA-22. The Browning SA-22 has been in production for over a century. Its compact design and toolless takedown feature make it easy to store and transport. It has a good weight, making it great for beginners who want a rifle that is useful and easy to carry. The SA-22 uses .22 LR bullets, which are good for practice or hunting small animals. It is affordable and built to last, so it's a very good choice for a first rifle. The Browning SA-22 is still a popular favorite, priced at around $600, which shows classic designs can still go a long way in today's market. Number 1. Ruger American Generation 2 Ranch. The Ruger American Generation 2 Ranch rifle is probably the best for beginners in 2025. It comes with a short 16.1-inch barrel, 16.4 inches for the .350 Legend, making it easy to handle while still powerful. The rifle comes in many calibers, from .223 Remington to the strong .308 Winchester, which makes it great for different shooting needs. Its Cerakote finish protects it from bad weather, and the adjustable stock allows it to be changed for shooters of all sizes. Priced at $729, the Ruger American Ranch gives good quality and value, making it the best choice for new shooters. Do you have any experience with one of these rifles, or do you have a favorite poor man's rifle out there? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe for more tips and reviews.